Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today with this video we are going to discuss about the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur. Like at what percentile you can target with this option, what about the placements for the IIT Kanpur, and like what about the batch profile for IIT Kanpur, that everything we will discuss with this video. Now if we consider the overall batch profile for the IIT Kanpur, then there are 5% candidates are the female candidates and 95% candidates are the male candidates. If we consider it in terms of the educational background, then there are 10.9% candidates have the academic background as an electrical, 38% candidates have the academic background from the mechanical, 14% are from the electronics, 24% are from the IT and CS, and 14% candidates have the background other than this. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 19% candidates have the work experience in between 0 to 11 months, 43% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 23 months, 29% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 35 months, and 9% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. So there are 35% candidates have the work experience in IT, 25% candidates have the work experience in consulting, 20% candidates have the work experience in manufacturing, and 20% candidates have the work experience other than this. If we consider about the placements, then the highest CTC offered with the IIT Kanpur is nearly up to 24 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 17.25 lakhs per annum, and the lowest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 12.41 lakhs per annum. There are top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 22.20 lakhs per annum, and if we consider the overall average CTC, then it is 18.14 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the domain wise placements, then there are 14% placements are from the operations and HR, 15% placements are from the finance, 21% placements are from the marketing, 27% placements are from the analytics, and 23% placements are from the IT and consulting. Then if we consider the roles offered in the particular domain, then for the analytics domain, the roles offered are analytics consultant, data scientist, knowledge analyst, program associate, decision analyst, and business analyst. Then if we consider it for the marketing domain, then the profiles offered for the marketing domain are management trainee, product manager, business development, marketing executive, marketing manager, and project manager. Then if we consider it for the operations domain, then the profiles offered for the operations domain are supply chain manager, program manager, supply chain analyst, operation analyst, management trainee, and product supply manager. Then if we consider it for the finance domain, then the profiles offered for the finance domain are risk analyst, financial analyst, wealth manager, associate advisor, management trainee, and portfolio manager. Then if we consider it for the IT and consulting, then the profiles offered for this domain are strategy consultant, associate consultant, technology consultant, analytics consultant, management trainee, and senior analyst. Then if we consider the top recruiters for IIT Kanpur, then those are Maxini and Company, PwC, Deloitte, IndiaMart, ICICI Bank, HSBC, HDFC Bank, Cognizant, Infosys, Accenture Strategy, Citibank, Burger, and there are so many companies are over there. Now coming to the eligibility criteria for the MBA program for IIT Kanpur. So for general, EWS and OBC category, overall you should have 80 percentile or more marks in your CAT entrance examination. Then you must have completed minimum 3 years of bachelor's degree with minimum marks of 60% or a CPI of 6.0 on a scale of 10. Then if we consider the SC/ST applicants, then overall you should have 55 percentile or more marks in your CAT entrance examination. Then you must have completed a 3 years of bachelor's degree or an equivalent education with minimum 50% marks in your graduation or a CPI of 5.0 on a scale of 10. Then if we consider the stage 2, then shortlisting of the applicants will be based on the percentile in the CAT entrance examination. Then if we consider the stage 3, then stage 3 will be of group discussion and personal interview. So if we consider the group discussion and personal interview, then in that your academic background, work experience, performance in the interview, then your performance in the GD, PI, all these parameters will be considered, and on that basis the finally selected list of candidates is done. So the registration for IIT Kanpur has already been started. The last date of application is 31st of January and the announcement of shortlist for GD-PI will be on the 9th of February 2024. Then your GD and PI process will be conducted in the month of March. And if we consider the overall application fees, then it is 2000 rupees for the general, OBC and EWS candidates. And if we consider it for the SC, ST and DAP candidates, then the fees is 1000 rupees. And for the female applicants, there is no fees. So this is all about the IIT Kanpur. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.